Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I actually have a box of things that I'm going to be putting on Hooked on Pickin, and you may have seen some on the fire sale as well. So we're going to get in here. These are all purses and really fun designs. They come in different colors than what I bought, so I only bought a few of each color, but we can get them in a lot more variety. So let's check out what's in this box.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so I bought a variety of different purses. I just kind of want to look and see what are you guys interested in. So I need your feedback on this box for sure. If you want to buy any of these, you got to go to hookedonpickin.com. They should already be there for sale. You're going to find them anywhere from $15 to $40 is how much the cost of these are. All right, so here is, a lot of them are actually concealed carry purses as well. You don't have to carry a gun to use these. They have just extra pockets in the back made for that. But here is this one with God, all things are possible. And then here is the slot right there for the concealed carry, or it's just a fun extra pocket for your makeup. So either way is fine. So there's one. Then I've got a plain, this one is a double concealed carry, so you can put a weapon in each side, or makeup in one side and your checkbook in the other. All right, so this one is a real fun one. This one's black with kind of silver stud work on it. Do you want me to pull them out of the bags, or are they good? All right, so let's see. We'll just pull this one out of the bag. I think I got this one in a couple of different colors. I might have. So, and they are leather. They are leather purses. They come with a long strap. Yep, so just go ahead and pull that right off. They come with a long strap. So you got handles here. It's got an inside pocket as well here. And then it comes with a long shoulder strap. And this one actually comes with its own wallet as well. So nice handbag, nice handbag. Like I said, $15 to $40 for these. And then I've got some really fun ones. This one was neat. This is a cool crossbody bag. These ones are going to be the $15 ones. And so this one has a long, it's got a magnetic clasp, and then it's got a long chain over the shoulder strap. So it's a crossbody bag. So it'll have a really long, so you can unclip it and unwind it for it to be a really long crossbody strap. See? So that's really fun. So this is a fun USA one. Does have, so it's got little rhinestones there, magnetic clasp, couple of pockets on the inside. This is just a little plastic to tell me which kind it is, and then a little pocket on the back side here. So this one is not a concealed carry because of the size of it, but it is a fun, cute USA crossbody bag that I just found very cute. All right, then we've got another one, similar style, but just a little different design, just kind of some stars and red stripes on it. So that's one there. Same style. It's got that navy blue kind of look. So that one is another crossbody bag. Then we've got some bigger purses in here. Oh, here's another crossbody bag. This one, I'll have to take out of the bag to see it because they put the little cardboard. So that's what that one looks like. So they're just really cute, not a bunch of craziness, but this is a perfect, like, walk-in, going shopping. It's going to carry your wallet, your sunglasses, your keys, and not be too big and heavy, but look cute and trendy. So I like the...
very patriotic.
Very patriotic. Very, very patriotic. All right, then we got another bag. Okay, I have sold these before. This one I really like because it's a concealed carry as well, with both of the pockets there. And then it's got a zipper front, so you can unsnap this. There's a pocket there. It's got a long strap. And then this one is neat because it folds up and makes a very, very deep purse. So you can fit the whole kitchen sink in that one. And it does come with an extra strap. And there's a bunch of pockets in here, a zipper pocket, and then just some extra padding in there. And so this one's really nice because once you get it all closed up, it really doesn't look this large. So that's kind of a nice size purse there. So Trying to keep them with their bags because they have the code if I want to reorder them. So that bag I just showed you also comes in white, black, gray, teal, multiple different colors. So if you like any of these styles, but you'd like a different color, just let me know because I can always show you the different options for colors. Okay, here's another concealed carry purse. And concealed carry purses usually run around $80 normally. So here's got some cool grommet details. Here's the zippers on the back for your concealed carry. They're all leather. And then we've got a clasp here we'll undo. Long strap. And then this one has a couple of different pockets on the inside. Try to see if it comes with a wallet. I don't think this one comes with a wallet. Nope. So it's just a nice big handbag with a long shoulder strap.
What are you thinking pricing it for?
This one is probably going to be more between the $35, $40 range. I'll have to look on my invoice and see how much I spent for it, but this one's going to be right around the $35, $40 range for any of the larger ones. Like this one I think is a little bit less, so this will probably be more around the $25 to $30 range. So this is a nice one. This one actually is a crossbody bag similar to the others, but it's a little larger. And it is, because of the size of it, this one is considered a concealed carry bag because you can actually fit one in there. So, or a hide your makeup bag. Okay. All right. So then a long strap on this so it has the nice crossbody style to it. So that's kind of nice. I love the patriotic ones. I just do. As you can see. But there's many that are like this style with different designs on it, like cross bling and just different things like that. So this box is so full. Oh, here's another crossbody bag. Has little fringes. It's a heart shape there with little fringes. And I think here's another one. Yeah, this one's another crossbody bag. Let me pull this one out because they covered it up with the... This one's just a straight, more of a traditional flag look on that one. So I like these little ones. Like I said, these are only going to be $15 a piece. Then let's see what else we got. Okay, here's a burgundy one. Remember I told you that black one with the fold over flap that had the really deep comes in different colors. So here is, this one's called a red wine color, kind of a darker burgundy. So that's just like the black one I pulled out. That is a concealed carry. Here is one of these. This I believe is this is a concealed carry as well. This one I just like because it's got a little bit more of a square. Stands up on its own. It's got the crossbody strap. It's got 2 or 3 different zippers on the inside. It zips across the front. And then of course on the back it's got your zipper here for clothes and then a nice little fun just random pocket for all your lipstick and sunglasses and cell phone. This is perfect for a cell phone. So it's nice and deep too for a cell phone. I don't know about you, but a lot of purses I buy from Walmart and stuff doesn't have a deep enough pocket for my massively huge case that I have on my cell phone. So it is nice to have that. All right, then we have this one I really loved. This is another concealed carry. Nice brown leather one. Just like the one we showed. I think I showed you a black one of this already, but this one's brown in color with the long strap and the pockets on the back.
So why are you buying wholesale purses?
I am buying wholesale purses because I can get them a lot cheaper and offer the savings onto you guys. And I want to put them on hookedonpickin.com. So they're going to be available on hookedonpickin.com by the time you see this. So check out the purses and accessories section. Just type in purse, you'll find these for sure. And so I wanted to make them available to you guys because they sell really well. I think I already pulled this one out. I've got 2 of these. All right. Then we've got this one. I think, yep, I pulled the black one out of this one. This is a concealed carry. But the very first one I pulled out that was big, I mean, with God, all things are possible. I pulled that one out, which I think is hilarious that there's a concealed carry on the back of that. But all right, then this one is a concealed carry too. And it's got the grommets, just like this black one sitting over here. So it's just the brown version of that black one here. See? So, like I said, I got mostly black and brown because those are the neutral colors everybody likes. But I wanted to let you know I can get these in other colors. All right, we've seen this one. Also, this one's just a light pink. But we've seen this one as well. in the other colors. All right, let's see what else I got. Ooh, this is one of my really big ones. So this one I know is going to be $40. So some of those smaller ones might be more around the 30 to 35 range. I'll have to look and see where my pricing is on it. But this one's a really nice big one. See that? Nice handbag. $40, you can't beat that. And it is leather. It's got a little fun lock detail on it. This is kind of, there we go. We'll just pull that apart. All right, lots and lots of storage in this one. Extra zippers, long strap, pockets there, pockets there, pockets there, and then you get your concealed carry pocket here. So nice and big concealed carry pocket there. So this is a nice large handbag. For those of you who like to carry around the kitchen sink, and I know you all know who you are out there. You know. All right. Then we've got, what else in here? This is a black purse. Just a nice kind of fun, more of a bag style purse. This one is not a concealed, well, yes it is. Sorry, I lied. So this one is a concealed carry, but this one is kind of more of a, let me kind of hold it up in the air. It's got a little bit more of a casual bag, very, very soft leather. As you can see, it's very pliable. And then it's got really cute details on it. And then it's got kind of a drawstring closure on it. And then it is just the short handles though, no long handles on this one. So this is more of a over-the-shoulder black bag. So I like this one a lot. I like how soft the material is on this one. So like I said, all of these available on Hooked on Pickin. If you haven't seen my clothing, check out my clothing I got available on there too. All right, gotta find out where it's taped closed. There it is. Another big handbag. This one is brown in color. So they do a great job protecting it. So it's got the long handle, short handles, got a little pouch thing for your keys, and then lots of storage in there, lots of stuffing. Let's pull some of that out. See how much fits in there? Good night, look at that. So nice deep handbag there. And this one also does come as a concealed carry. So if you've ever had to buy a concealed carry handbag, or just a bag that has an exterior zipper pocket, like I love these exterior zipper pockets for my keys or my cell phones, because right now my purse I currently have, I drop my keys in, and I have a huge set of keys with all sorts of keychains on it, and I get it lost at the bottom of my bag. It drives me crazy. So, I just want to let you know that it's nice to have those exterior pockets for the cell phone and the keys and such. So let's see, we've got, okay, here's a crossbody bag. This one is not a blinged out one, just kind of a plain, fun one. This one does have a back pocket zipper, but I don't believe it's considered concealed carry because of the size of the bag. So this one's going to be more like a $15 to $20 bag, but just kind of a plain, not a lot of bling on it. Not everybody likes lots of bling, and so I tried to get some that were pretty neutral in color for all of that. We've still got bags. Do you remember the really soft black bag that I pulled out that I was raving about how it felt? Well, here's the brown version. It's kind of a reddish brown almost. So it's got a fun little bag, tassels on it, little buckle that kind of comes all the way around and cinches it, and then it's got a zipper top. So there's that one. Okay, I've got some more of those. Do you remember the one that I pulled out with the little crossbody bag? So this one is the black version of that one. See that there? So there's the black version of that one. And then I also have a gray version. So let's go ahead and pull that one out just to see what color gray it actually is. I ordered these a while ago, so I'm trying to remember exactly what all I ordered. Yeah, there's the gray one. It's kind of a tannish gray. So we've got both of those. Try to keep all my numbers together. All right. So this one was a fun one that I decided to order. Nice big bag. And I think it's a really fun color that I ordered on this one. Yeah, kind of a blue. Look at that bag there. Isn't that one fun? So it's got pocket here. Look at how far that is. It goes all the way up past my elbow. So that is a deep bag. So it's a little bit of a narrower bag, but really, really cute. And then it's got two big pockets in it. So that was one pocket. It's got another one here. And then it's got some pockets on the inside with little places for it. And then, of course, on the back. So should you need that, it's on the back. But isn't that one fun? Kind of a silver and blue. It's real pretty. I love that one. And it's got a fun little keychain on there. All right, I've also got in these, remember the small tree ones? I've also got another black one and another brown one of those ones that you've already seen that look like this. Okay? So I've got a bunch of those little ones. Then we've got this one here. Let me see, can I have a spot to put this one? Piles of purses. Don't you love them though? I love them. I just think they're so cute. All right. So this one is black in color. Looks like this with the conceal carry. And then swing it around the front here. We have got just a plain black bag. Comes with the long chain. I believe we opened a brown one just like it. So this is just like the brown one we showed you. Here's the brown one here. See it? So we've got two like that. Like I said, I bought mostly black and brown because that kind of goes with everybody's outfit. Oh, I have another one. Remember the big fun blue one I just opened? I got another one. This is the last thing in the box. This one is black. It's the black version of that really big one. So look at that, black and silver. Isn't that cool with the cool chain detail there? Long strap on, it's got a strap on it. And then it's got the two big pockets, zipper pockets, and the zipper on the back. So this is a perfect, carry it around. Look how cute it is. I just love it. It'll go with everything. It'll hold everything. You can put a kid in here. No, don't put a kid in there. But anyway, so those are all my new purses. Don't you love them? They're very, very cute. They'll go with anything, which is why I chose the colors that I did. But if you love a pop of color and you're like, ooh, I love that style, but I wish it was in a purple or a teal or an orange or a red, let me know. I'd love to be able to get it ordered for you so that you can buy it. And hopefully it's been fun to watch me unbox all the purses that are available on hookedonpickin.com right now. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you've gone to hookedonpickin.com to find all of the cool clothing items I have, the fun knife gift ideas I have, and then also all of the fun purses that I just opened. So go to hookedonpickin.com. I also have lots of reseller helps there if you need help with that as well.